What's up, guys? I'm Stuart with Page 50 Digital Marketing and Media. It is the week of August 18th, and this is your digital marketing update. TikTok will now penalize your reach for directing folks off of platform to your online stores. Why? Because they want you to use TikTok Shop. You saw this coming. Remember, we talked a few weeks back about the increase in price on the TikTok Shop platform. They were going to start charging higher fees. Well, now TikTok will start to penalize you for using other shopping platforms, including your own website. In other words, every time you try to direct somebody off of website, it's actually going to reduce your reach. Heads up, if you utilize TikTok for your e-commerce promos and you don't have a TikTok shop yet built out, it's time to start considering it. But pay attention to those fees because they're likely going to keep creeping up. Next up, YouTube is now utilizing an AI system to guess whether or not its users are under 18. This is not a joke. Based on what? Based on the content you watch. So if you're watching a lot of cartoons, they're going to start thinking you're a child. And if the AI thinks that you are, it automatically turns on extra protection and stricter content limitations. In other words, YouTube is your daddy now. So what does this mean for you? Expect reporting and metrics and ad placements to get a little weird for a little while. If you're running ad sets on YouTube, you'll want to start segmenting by age if you haven't done that already. And if you're monetizing YouTube, just take a little bit of time, check your metrics, and see what happens. All right, last on the docket for today, Instagram profiles now have special tabs for, and this is where it gets a little weird, reposts, friend reels, as well as a friends map. All right, the repost tab is not too weird. It gives you the opportunity to highlight other people's content when they were talking about your brand. For brands, this is an easy opportunity to share their utilization of your product, your brand, your services in one particular spot. A way to think of this is Google reviews on steroids. It's a strong thing to be able to utilize in brand growth over time. Now, the Reels Friends tab now lets you see everything your friends are doing. This is where it gets weird. Commenting, liking, sharing. Come on, this won't end poorly at all, right? All right. Lastly, you can opt in now. This is so weird. To sharing your location on Instagram with selected friends using the new Instagram map. This is just getting crazy. But good news, you can opt out of both the Friends tab for the Reels and the Friends map. So don't worry. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. And if you got any questions that you'd like us to answer in the future, you can leave them down in the comments.